Girl, you're a star. Come on and dance, baby. And dance, baby. I know it. Girl, you're a star. Come on and dance, baby.
Good morning. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. It is 5:28. I wanted to say I'm tired. I'm going to work early. If you didn't watch the first weekly vlog in the new season of the new year, then you wouldn't know that I'm going to work to start for 6 o'clock today until 2:30 because your president is in town. There's a lot of football being played and the congestion in the city when all of that happens, because I was here when Obama came to town and it was like, we can't do anything. They gave us the option to either work from 6 to 2:30 or I don't remember the other option, but clearly I wasn't having it because I already had in my mind, I'm gonna go to work at 6 o'clock. Like, I need to be prepared. I want to figure out a new uploading schedule. So we'll see what happens today, and then I'll let you know if I'm sticking with that or if, you know, you guys tell me what time you watch my vlogs and we'll go from there. Anyway, let's go to work. It is a little after 4:30. Why am I not at work or in my car headed home from work? Told you earlier, got off at 2:30, made my way back home and took a nap because I wasn't feeling up to going straight to the gym. So took a nap. I'm up now. I'm gonna head to LA Fitness and I need to get back on my echinacea. Everyone at work is coughing and sneezing and clearing their throat. And I had 2 coughs today, maybe 3. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm not playing with you guys. I'm not pressing any elevator buttons. I'm not opening any doors. Like, your germs are everywhere. So, yeah, we're going to be medicated. We're knocking this thing out. We're knocking it out. LA Fitness, though. We're doing this. Rain or shine. Tell me why I don't have my phone. And if I turn around and go home, I'm not coming back. So this workout is about to be a lot longer than I thought because no music. Got him! Update, it's 7:07. I know this is gonna sound like a whole lot in just a few seconds, but I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog because I wanna start my meal prep, get the vlog up, and take a shower, and get in my bed. I'm waiting on the vlog to upload, which I wanted it to be up by 10 p.m. and it's now 10:26. It's taking really long because it's almost 20 minutes. Don't get excited. All the other vlogs will not be that long, so don't get spoiled. I'm just saying. Let me show you where I keep all of my meal prep stuff. Is this not a little bit excessive? Like, gotta eat my lunch away from my team so that they don't smell the fish. Good morning. It is Tuesday. We're not going to the gym today. Today is my rest. Hello. I haven't talked to you all day simply because I was taking some me time during the week. That means no vlogging. I'm currently at LA Fitness. I've been sleepy all day.
Damn, I just took off. Damn, I just took off. Damn, I just took off. Damn, I just took off.
Home from LA Fitness. Today was kind of difficult for me. I don't know if it was a mixture of trying not to be sick, so I didn't go to the gym yesterday, trying to stay inside, mixed with, okay, couch to 5K. I usually do it at the end of my workout now instead of the beginning. But today I did it in the beginning because more people kept coming into LA Fitness. And I felt like, whoa, that was hard. Which is weird because last week I was doing longer runs than what they asked of me this week. Like, outside of the couch to 5K. I guess you just have to watch my C to 5K videos to know what I'm talking about. So I'll link that down below so you can see it. But I'm gonna get something to eat, take a shower. I don't know what else, but yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. I'm not down. I'm not excited either. I'm just like coasting. Yeah, I know the tree is still up. It'll come down this weekend. Calm down. I don't feel like pulling out my wok tonight, but I do want to try these veggie meatballs, and I think I'm gonna make a meatball stir fry. How are we feeling about a pesto veggie stir fry?
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Hold them bands down. Hold your mans down. Who told you come around?
Good morning. Not bringing my gym bag with me. I'm gonna come home and change. I just didn't feel like packing a bag. So anyway, let's go to work.
I got knees too. I just need something that's different. I just need someone that's ready. I just need someone that listens. Yeah. I just need someone that.
It is Saturday. Yeah, where was I yesterday? Here, watching Netflix and going to sleep. So I owe you. I know. So it's not 8 o'clock, it's 8:50. I wanted to sleep in a little bit because I deserve it. I'm currently feeling a little bit discouraged about Couch to 5K, only because before it was like 3 or 4 of us doing it, and now it's just me. So I'm probably going to put a pause on that and still go to LA Fitness every week, but do something else because it's not fun when you're doing it alone, to be honest. So probably gonna put a pause on that and still go to LA Fitness for the very least 3 times a week. But this week I went, and my week is starting on Mondays now. So went Monday, Wednesday. So Saturday, Sunday, like we're not playing any games. We got to get it in, like, come on now. Yeah, that's what's going on. Falcons play today at 4:30. 4:30. Maybe I don't need to watch it because I might be bad luck. I don't know. I'm rambling because I don't want to go, but I'm gonna go, and that's all I got for you right now. Later. There's something on the list. Okay, maybe that's better or worse, I'm not sure, but there was a truck parked 2 spots down from where me and Lisa were parked, and the guy, I hear him in the background after Lisa leaves, and he was like, bruh, they broke in my truck. They broke my window. What? First of all, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Who the heck is out here trying to rob you? Man, my wallet, my clothes from last night. Where are you coming from? Maybe that's the real question. Where are you coming from? So, he's back, and it really did happen. Why y'all robbing people at 8 o'clock in the morning? Why y'all robbing people at all? Why are you at LA Fitness looking for somebody to rob? If you're up that early, you can go to work. Like a real job. Look at this person trying to park next to me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Figure it out. I just don't want to go inside, to be honest.
Damn, I just took off. 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 Damn, I'm getting lost. Shit in the different speeds. I look like Randy Moss. Damn, I just took off. Damn, I got the sauce.
Came to Arden's Garden to get my favorite. It is the 24-ounce pineapple juice, papaya, raspberry, and blackberry. But this is absolutely my favorite. What else did I get? Another favorite. This is the cold pressed fruit juice, pineapple, apple, and lemon. I got 2 of these because you can't just have one in the house. I went ahead and sampled this, and let's just say, oh, I don't care how you do it, you're always gonna taste apple cider vinegar. It's not as vinegary. No, it is, but it's a good pick-me-up. So I'll probably have a couple gulps of this instead of the whole thing, because who is trying to do that? I was so amped up about Arden's Garden that I left everything I got from the dollar store in the trunk. So back outside.
Baby, let's just be honest.
Now we're going to go ahead and take all of the Christmas stuff down. I know I'm a week late. Am I stressed out about it? No.
Sometimes when you feel awesome, I let you go sometimes. Smoke the only thing on her chest right now. Sex is all it says, that's best right now. Answer all my questions is
update. So I'm home from watching the game, and Atlanta.
Hey, stop.
Yes,
5 different houses. Built with red bricks, headphones, the red songs on one. Shawty see me going home in that bitch stage. Cold red, shawty.
First down. First down.
And Atlanta, they lost. Good night. Good morning. It is Sunday. I woke up before 8 o'clock, but I'm not going to LA Fitness right now. I have a few things that I want to take care of. Definitely, like for real, it has to be done before Monday. I have to sort and do laundry today. I'm finally changing my pillows and my bedding to the bedding that I got during Black Friday. I want to go ahead and put my donations for January in the trunk of the car because I will be giving them this week, and I need to meal prep for the work week. I need to fold out all of my LA Fitness gear for the week, get another SD card. We have a few things to do, even though they're like errand type things. Let's go ahead and get today started. No exciting stuff.
I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel.
On this major thrilling Sunday of cleaning and all sorts of other things, I put on my ski trip hoodie because I didn't go this weekend and everybody's there and they think I'm there. So I've been acting like I'm there, and then when they look for me, I'm like, no, I'm at home because I'm there. Let's not talk about how it's 3:42 and I had an impromptu nap. Groceries. Okay. All right. It is, let's talk about the time, 5:16. I've really been taking my sweet time with today. Put so much on my to-do list and then I only get like 4 things done and then trickle it over into the next day, but I'm okay with what's happening today. Probably did majority of the things, but the gym is something that isn't going to get done because they close at 8 today, so enough is being completed. I don't even know what this lighting is, but now I'm gonna watch Netflix and fold clothes. Everyone's favorite part of laundry.
In the club as you should,